Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 9. Adjectives. Knowledge acquisition. An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Example, I will make some tea for you. Here some is the adjective and it describes the noun tea. Kinds of adjectives. Quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive. 1. Adjective of quality. Adjectives that indicate the quality of a noun are called adjectives of quality. Example, the intelligent girl has passed. They indicate the shape, size, color of a person or thing. Some examples of adjectives of quality are beautiful, great, slow and magnificent. They answer the question what kind with respect to the noun or pronoun they describe. 2. Adjective of quantity. These adjectives are measuring words that modify the noun. Examples: 1. I want some tea. 2. We need a little rest. They indicate the quantity of the noun or pronoun they describe. Some examples of adjectives of quantity are some, most, enough, much and all. They answer the question how much. They are used with uncountable nouns. 3. Adjective of number. These adjectives tell us how many persons or things are being talked about. They indicate the number of the noun or pronoun they describe. Example, she is 80 years old. Some other examples of adjectives of number are many, first, one, etc. 4. Demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. Example, these apples are rotten. They help in pointing out the thing or object meant. Demonstrative adjectives are this, that, those, such, certain, etc. 5. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions. Example, which book will you buy? Interrogative adjectives are whose, what, which, etc. 6. Possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. Example, his books are on the table. Possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, their, its, etc. Degrees of comparison. Each adjective has 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. 1. Positive degree. An adjective is said to be in positive degree when no comparison is made. It is the simplest form of the adjective. Example, Ritika is a tall girl. 2. Comparative degree. An adjective is said to be in comparative degree when it is used to compare two things or people. Example, Ritika is taller than Neha. 3. Superlative degree. An adjective is said to be in superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two things or people. Example, Ritika is the tallest girl in the class. Remember, the comparative adjectives are followed by than. The definite article that is used before an adjective in the superlative degree. 1. By adding "r" and "st" respectively to the adjectives ending in "e". Positive, comparative, superlative, rude, ruder, rudest, simple, simpler, simplest, large, larger, largest, true, truer, truest, wide, wider, widest. 2. By adding "er" and "est" to the positive degree. Positive, comparative, superlative, rich, richer, richest, thick, thicker, thickest, hot, hotter, hottest, sad, sadder, saddest, fat, fatter, fattest. Remember, when the positive ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, we double the final consonant before adding ER and EST. 3. By removing Y and adding IER and IEST to the adjectives with two syllables ending in Y. Positive, comparative, superlative. Busy, busier, busiest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest, lazy, lazier, laziest, dry, drier, driest. 4. If Y is preceded by a vowel, Y is not changed into I. Positive, comparative, superlative. Grey, greyer, greyest, gay, gal, gayest. 5. By placing more and most before positives to form comparatives and superlatives respectively. Positive, comparative, superlative. Harmful, more harmful, most harmful. Foolish, more foolish, most foolish. Useful, more useful, most useful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous.
Like, share and subscribe.